very pragmatic. The work that you do over the weekend, you'll definitely be able to use ad infinitum, and you'll learn an awful lot, especially if you've done any type of meditation before. So highly valuable weekend to spend here.
Thank you very much. So I would recommend anybody to come to Grouse Lodge, particularly in early January. It's a course that will enlighten you, enrich you, center you. It's the work of Joe Dispenza, which, if you know who he is, it's a no-brainer to come to any of his work, any of his weekends. But particularly to have it here in Ireland with the trainer and with the energy that is specifically here in the ancient grounds of Grouse Lodge. So I can't recommend it enough. For me, I am taking away a wealth of knowledge to change my life and enhance other people's lives. And wow, the emotion is flying up. And to enhance the collective energy here and to share the divine gifts that I have to share. And this just cemented that for me.
Wow, beautiful. So what has this weekend meant for me? And already I feel different. Already I found it really, really empowering. And I think a lot of what that was first and foremost the psychological safety and the energy that was created among the group of people. Everybody was invited, encouraged to be themselves completely. There was no airs or graces or pretense or masks. There was lots of fun, lots of humour, lots of authenticity. It was just powerful from that, initially. It was really powerful, and I felt an amazing shift, and even going away with a really strong commitment about what I'm doing in the future. It was very much focused around giving us tools to be able to change our state of being and be able to change particularly any type of negative thinking or anything like that that's not serving us well. And really practical tools that are simple in one way, but yet you need to practice them. Nothing is going to change without actually practicing. But the tools are straightforward and easy. What needs to be done is that we need to commit to doing them. It was practical. It was there was lots and lots of discussion, lots and lots of perspective, and just easy to follow. And it made perfect sense. And the big question that comes to my mind is, why don't we learn this stuff in school? Or why aren't children taught this stuff? It would make life so much easier for everybody. But isn't it wonderful at this stage to be introduced to it and to be consumed or brought into this with everybody? It's just amazing. So yeah, I would highly recommend it. I expect I'll be back again, because I do believe that every time you come back you're going to learn more. It's just going to reinforce what you've already learned. It was one of the best weekends I've had in a long, long time. It was just, there was nothing about it I would change. So I think I'll be here again.
Thank you very much.
This weekend we had the opportunity to share with wonderful people some amazing knowledge, and really a reflection on Dr. Joe Dispenza, how he has brought this material into a form that is easy and simple to understand, and very much that we can take away to our day-to-day day. So it's been really, really helpful to just come away with this information and come away with this ability and these tools that we can on a day-to-day just implement and change life from the day-to-day to actually just looking at it in such an expansive and inspiring way. Just very grateful for the opportunity, and I hope that anybody looking at this, that they really take the chance or take the invitation to, if they get it, to come along and do it.
Thank you very much.
This weekend has been emotional, fun, but the best part about it is the people I've met. Genuinely care. They're on their own journeys, same as myself, but we're on similar journeys, and they're so supportive. They're not afraid to be vulnerable and share, and that's where you get the most out of a weekend like this, is when you're completely yourself, authentically yourself, and you're not trying to pretend to be anybody else, and you feel safe. And if you're thinking about it, I would 100% recommend it.
Thank you very much.
I don't know about you, but if I was coming back as an animal, I'd take my chances as a lion.
Right.